Well, here it is, February 2nd, 2015, after the great big snowstorm we had. I believe it's the fourth largest in Chicago history. Already cleaned the cars off once, and that's how much they got covered again. Just to give everybody a perspective on how much snow is here. Well, I can't really see it. Let's see here. Put it at the top of the tree. Yeah, it looks like about 14 inches here. Here's the skid steer. It's going to make this a lot easier. Did this yesterday already. The skid steer. It's the only way to address major snow like this. See how much snow. I did this once yesterday, and